Hello students. So in this tutorial we will learn functions related to text. So these are a bit of a data cleaning functions. So first is proper. What proper does is proper capitalizes the first letter of the word in your text. So let's see equal to proper. So this is proper and say enter. So T from Tom and H from Harry will get capitalized. So this is what proper does. Next is replace. So replace can replace a particular letters from the word. So let's see. We want to replace Tom by Jack. So equal to replace old text. First see the syntax. This is the old text. Then starting number, starting letter, we want to replace starting from T. So T is our first letter. So starting number is 1. And number of characters we want to replace is 3. And then new text. So text is always written in double inverted commas in formula. So our text is Jack. So bracket close, enter. So Tom got replaced by Jack. This is what replace does. Next, repeat. Repeat is very simple. We can repeat a symbol, letter, number, anything you want to repeat by using repeat function. So repeat. Text is, say I want to repeat. Again you need to write in double inverted commas. Hash you want to repeat. And I want to repeat it 10 times. So bracket complete. So this is what repeat does. Repeats a particular any symbol, letter or a number you want to, any text. Trim. Trim will remove the unnecessary space between the words. So there are 2 to 3 spaces in this text you can see between Amazing Robotics, Robotics Unlimited. So it will remove the unnecessary space and it will make it only a single space. So equal to trim. I select the text and say enter. So now you can see there is only a single space between those words. So that is what Amaze Robotic trim does. Sorry. Next is substitute. So substitute is used to substitute a particular word by word. So let's see what substitute does. Substitute. This is the text. So see the syntax text and it is asking for old text. So I want to replace 1000. I write in double inverted commas. New text. I want to replace it by 2000 and comma and bracket close. So I replace by 1000 by 2000. So this is what substitute is doing. So in substitute you can replace word by word. In replace you can replace using characters, particular characters. Last is concatenate. Equal to concat. Concat is used to connect the text, connect the string. So rupees, I will say dollar, and I want a space after dollar, so I put a space, comma, and this is the another text which I want to connect, and this is what a concatenate function does. So this were the text functions. So this is it for this tutorial. After this tutorial we will look after the list function. So keep on watching, keep on learning. Thank you very much.